Let's make one of my favorite Filipino dishes, Ginisang Munggo or sauteed mung beans. Here are the ingredients for making Ginisang Munggo. In a medium-sized pot, add 2 cups of mung beans. Rinse 3 to 5 times or until water is clear. Bring to a boil over high heat for 45 minutes to an hour. Turn heat to medium-high and remove the froth that floats to the top. Stir occasionally to prevent from burning. Set the cooked mung beans to the side. To cook the shrimp, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix well to coat the shrimp. Using a wok, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, add the shrimp and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes or until golden. Then cook the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes. When cooked, remove the shrimp and put it into a clean bowl or plate. Using the same wok, sauté the shallots until translucent. Add the garlic and sauté until aromatic. Add the tomatoes and sauté until it becomes soft. Then add the cooked mung beans. Stir it to combine. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour the chicken stock and stir again to combine. Simmer for another 15 to 30 minutes. Stir occasionally. Lower the heat and season with fish sauce and ground black pepper. Stir again to combine. Add the cooked fish and the shrimp. Mixed in the bok choy, simmer for 2 minutes. Then add and mix the baby spinach. Simmer for another 30 seconds and turn the fire off. Then garnish with spring onions. Here is my Ginisang Munggo or sauteed mung beans. Serve warm with rice and your favorite fried fish with dipping sauce on the side. Enjoy! You may also freeze the leftover for later.